Hello, this is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Forest River FR3 33DS. 2 slide outs, gas motorhome on the Ford V10, backup and side cameras, solid one-piece windshield. Each slide out has awning toppers over slides. There's a 5500 Onan generator, which is gas. A water and sewer compartment. Large storage in the back. You have a 5,000-pound tow hitch. Rear ladder, again with backup and side cameras. 33DS FR3. It's got an outside TV. Outside speakers. We have large pass-through storage. Another storage bin here on the entry side under the awning. We're equipped with a quick LP disconnect if you wanted to hook up an outside grill. You have a pass-through storage. We're in the Pebble decor. You have a large booth dinette, makes into a bed. Also has underneath storage. Nice large windows with blackout shades. One large slide in the living area. You do have theater seating, hidden compartment. They do recline. They also have seat belts. Large 4-door refrigerator and pantry. FR3DS is a fireplace and a large TV directly in front of the theater seating. Large microwave. 3-burner range and large oven. Flush mount countertops. You have a nice little hidden bread storage area. Splash guard there in the back. Large drawers and storage area. Your solid surface sink. Stainless steel. You do have a countertop extension. Your driver and passenger seat do rotate around for more sitting area. The table does remove, it has cup holders. You also have a workstation in front of the passenger seat. Auto leveling. You do have cup holders on both sides as well. Overhead bunk. Probably one of the largest overhead bunks you'll see in a Class A. It is electric. It does have a detachable ladder that hooks to the front. There is also hidden storage in the back. Linoleum throughout. Pocket door in the bathroom. A glass enclosed shower. This 33DS is equipped with a washer dryer. Good amount of countertop space. King size bed in the master bedroom. Your second AC. Again, this is a 55-watt Onan generator. It's a 50 amp service. You have a TV in the bedroom. Good amount of drawer space. Nice wardrobe space on both sides. This brand new 2019 Forest River FR3 33DS is a brand new floor plan. It's located in Yorktown, Virginia at Dodd RV. Please give me, Scott Hudgins, a call today. Set up a time to see it in person. Take it out for a test drive. Thank you. Have a nice day.